So he was also shouting on the one which is coming from behind.
จะไปที่จะประสงค์
पेचकस ले लिया भाई ने हाथ में. I was taking a bus from Thatek to Pakse, and in Laos this is usually like they have a review on internet also that bus will stop on like 10 kilometers away from the location. So Pakse is actually still 10 kilometers, and then there will be tuk-tuk who will take another extra money from us to take us to the hostels or to the city center which is in Pakse. Now there is no way, like it's already like 7 and dark, like they left with no option. They just stop the bus at one place, switch off all the lights, throw our bags out. Guys, भेड़ बकरियों की तरह भर दिया सबको एक ही गाड़ी में. पूरी बस एक गाड़ी में भर दी, एक टुक टुक में. अब बेचारे इतने घबरा जाते हैं, सोच रहे अंग्रेज बैठ भी गए जाके. The 7 of us stick to the bus. हम सुबह तक लड़ेंगे. I haven't booked anything, so I have a full night to fight. And the people who got afraid like sheep, they are in this tuk-tuk. Everyone is going there. He is in the team. It is a rebel in our team, so she is staying in the bus and she is not getting out. And this guy is shouting on us. He said, okay, let's shout so they will get out. So there's one more guy who's like drinking the beer with the fuck he is. And yeah, so he was also shouting on the one which is coming from behind. You see that? Saso, something he's saying. So they are shouting.
เพิ่งจะไปแคมป์ของเพิ่งจะไปที่จะประสงค์
पेचकस ले लिया भाई ने हाथ में.
Hi, are you from the hotel?
It's a different one. He only can stop here. He cannot continue to the city.
Are you were locking the bus? Where are you going?
เพราะว่าคิวใส่เจริญเขาจะให้ไปส่งคิวอ่ะนะ
No, we are the 10
ในเมือง
kilometers
ผมมัน
far.
บ่ได้
15 minutes. He stopped here. They let everyone out. And they put like 20 people like on a tuk-tuk. They were refusing us to take us to the city center.
So guys, I think today 10 kilometer walk again. Someone gave me a doll on my bag, and since that I have put that doll on my bag, I have to walk every day 10 kilometer with my 2 bags. I think the doll is Rapit. So somehow we get a drunk guy and he said like he gonna take us for 20k. Motherfucker! Yeah, it's like too much confusion between them. They don't know where the place is. It looks like this is on Mars for us. Hey. Anybody's going? No. This one? But how much? But how much? How much do you charge? How much do you charge? How much money?
บ่จักเว้ย
You don't know how much money?
หนูมันหนูอยู่บ่จักที่
How do I understand this mataki?
ถ้าแต่งอะจักอยู่มันภาษาอังกฤษนี่มันย่อเหมือนกันเด้อเว้ย
भाई अपने मन की सारी बातें बता दी उसने, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही. $90,000. Okay, 90,000 for one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, still cheaper, 10,000. Yeah! So made it to my first ever hitchhike. And this is because the other guy who took us without the money, he dropped us again 10 kilometers away from the destination. Reached our destination after the hitchhiking. Now. And see, 10,000 keeps. Really thanks. Donation for development. I think good. So बात ऐसी है कि today the place I am is called Captain Hook, and the concept is we have to cook some food with them. सब्जियां कट रही हैं. आज तो खाने में मजा ही आ जाएगा. कुत्ता भी खाएगा. कहाँ गया है? ये रहा काला कुत्ता. ये दिख रहा मेरे पीछे काला कुत्ता. Then there is a छोटा कुत्ता. Then there is a grey cat. अबे ये कहाँ घुस रहा है? अबे रुक जा. अबे भूतनी. अबे रुक जा. अबे रुक जा. रुक जा. रुक जा. घुस मत उधर. Don't go there. कुत्ता चिपट गया भाई. अबे रुक जा. कुत्ता.
No. Can you do it? 24.
I don't do this.
Coffee. So this is the morning meeting of cows. All the cows gathered here. Guys, the new day has started and we are waiting for a hitchhike. Nobody's coming. The road is empty. Where to go? So today is a very long day, and since morning, since I wake up and I had a little breakfast, I am traveling. I mean, I'm on the road since then. It's like first I took a tuk-tuk to a bus station. Then that bus dropped us to another bus station, and then we didn't find a bus over there. So then we took this tuk-tuk to here. Savadi. What? What? Where are we going? Done that. 2. Come on. बात करेंगे इससे. Okay. 12 o'clock. I came out and I don't know what the time. What is the time right now?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. 12 से 8 बज गए भाई. But we have to go by the boat, and the prices are low usually, but now because we are 2 people. And now he's saying like it is night and it is overtime and he's charging double the price. Double or triple, I don't know, bro. Since morning I'm just paying money. I'm paying double money. There is no headlight on the bike. So this is the last boat. Apparently. मिट्टी के ढेर में फंसा दी. बोट के नीचे मिट्टी का ढेर आ गया. वह जो गोल घूमे जा रही हूँ वहीं पे खड़ी रात में अंधेर में कुछ दिख तो रहा नहीं. वो लगा पड़ा डंडा का पत्ती लेके. Somehow 8.5 or 9 hours continuous travel, and now I've reached Dundet, the 100 Islands place. Chai. So I am in Dandet. Dandet is a island made up of 400 islands, small islands, and everything is countable in this. I mean, you can ride around on the cycle. You can take a kayaking trip around the waterfalls. There are a few waterfalls over here, and obviously this place is beautiful. So people come and chill here. There's not much activities, which is I feel good. There's not much cars. There's no car on this island, so only bicycles and very soothing. No much sound. It's I mean, it's very relaxing. And this islands are made for relaxing, I guess. You just go on an island, see the sunset, see the sunrise. Yeah. So there were two places. I'm living at the sunset place, which is a little more popular. And if you go to the sunrise part, you will find a little less and a little cheaper bungalows over there.